At some point, you have probably come across Tutedude while scrolling through social media or searching for ways to break into tech. And almost immediately you notice something strange. Most of the so-called reviews online are filled with discount codes, referral links, and people clearly trying to sell you something. Because of that, it becomes really hard to tell what is genuine and what is just promotion. Tutedude is a tech education platform that claims to help people fast-track their careers through self-paced boot camps. It offers courses in areas like coding, data science, UI and UX design, analytics, and other in-demand tech skills. The platform was started by IIT Delhi alumni, which they highlight heavily in their branding. And they promise mentorship, project-based learning, 24/7 doubt support, and that attention-grabbing refund policy. According to them, if you complete the course within 3 months, you can get a full refund, which sounds extremely appealing at first. On paper, the idea is simple. You pay a relatively low one-time fee, get access to structured lessons, complete projects, stay consistent, and potentially even get your money back. That combination makes Tutedude look like a low-risk entry point into tech. And to be fair, the company itself is legitimate. When you look at actual user feedback, the picture becomes more mixed. Some learners say the structure helped them stay disciplined, and that having mentors available made things clearer. Others mention that the content feels very basic, especially if you already have some background knowledge. There are also complaints about outdated lessons in certain courses, platform bugs, and communication delays. That brings us to the real question of value. Tutude does offer long courses with many hours of content, and for someone who wants everything organized in one place, that can be helpful. Being self-paced also means you can move quickly if you are motivated. But at the same time, it is important to be honest about alternatives. Many of the skills taught on Tutedude, such as Power BI, Python, or basic web development, are widely available for free. If you search on YouTube, you will find full-length tutorials, sometimes lasting 10 or even 12 hours, that cover the same fundamentals. These are created by experienced instructors and can give you a strong foundation without costing anything. What you lose is structure and accountability, but what you gain is flexibility and zero financial risk. So the real verdict is this: Tutedude is not a scam, and it can be useful for complete beginners who want a guided path and external motivation. But it is not a shortcut to success, and it does not offer knowledge that is impossible to find elsewhere. If you are disciplined and comfortable learning independently, free resources can take you just as far. And if you are expecting guaranteed outcomes with minimal effort, this platform will likely disappoint. Some people thrive with structure, others thrive with freedom, and knowing which one you are matters more than the platform itself. And sometimes, realizing that is the most useful takeaway before spending any money at all.